Around the world, people like to be associated with great brands. Great brands over-exceed expectations, create trends, lead, challenge creativity, and extend boundaries. Our brand is synonymous with these. We are Fortuna Projects India Private Limited. Fortuna Projects India Private Limited is committed to offer the best quality in materials, fittings and finishes. We hope and strive to make our customers have a world-class experience in fine living, and we are committed to fulfilling their aspirations. An ISO 9001-2000 company dealing in residential and commercial ventures with a registered office at Sadashiv Nagar, Bangalore. Fortuna's aim is to provide luxurious amenities at an affordable price and true value for money for its customers, and in doing so, striving towards highest quality standards every time. We at Fortuna are inspired, and we inspire others to achieve remarkable things. We are making a huge contribution to the improvement of people's lives and opportunities. Top-notch quality in construction and design is the hallmark of every Fortuna creation.
Fortuna, making a revolution in the Indian real estate market.
With years of experience and more than 16.5 lakh square feet of constructed area completed and 6.5 lakh square feet of ongoing projects that include apartments, villas, commercial spaces, malls, business parks and turnkey projects, Fortuna has become one of the fastest growing property developers in the country today. Fortuna is thus an endeavor to create products of consistent high quality, superlative finish and lasting value. Its work is on par with the best in the world and conforms to the international standards.
Our vision:
always consistently making residential apartments with luxurious amenities at an affordable price and true value for money.
Our mission:
ensure true value to the customers through superior quality products on time possession.
Our core values:
dynamic, ambitious and a committed team of professionals always encouraging creativity and innovations.
Our people:
at Fortuna, we have brought together an unparalleled team of creative thinkers, dedicated visionaries, the best financial advisors, renowned architects, skilled project managers and building specialists, along with the best of technology to develop properties. The people at Fortuna are incredibly passionate about what they do. It is this passion that has made Fortuna one of the region's most successful and forward-thinking companies.
Past, present and future plans.
In the past 6 years since its inception, Fortuna Projects has built 16.5 lakh square feet area, comprising of 14 projects all over Bangalore, all of which are completed and handed over to our esteemed customers. The good news is that Fortuna would be executing 7 new projects this year between April 2011 and April 2012, comprising of residential, commercial spaces, malls and business parks. A total of 2.5 million square feet area has been allocated for the same. Today, this is a unique success story that is still growing. We anticipate building a presence in varied industries, including hotels and resorts, malls, hypermarkets, home stores, business parks, multiplex theatres and more. Fortuna has its future bright. Our future projects include Fortuna Windflower, a landmark project in Bangalore, one of the tallest building projects in the city, consisting of 33 floors and 360 apartments. Another ongoing future project is spread over 5.5 acres of land at Yelahanka, diagonally opposite to Mother Dairy, with a build-up area of 7 lakh square feet. Our future projects are endless, and another feather in our cap is the launch of a prestigious project on the International Airport Road spread over 10.5 acres with 3 acres of commercial area and 6.5 acres allocated for residential purpose near Kendra Vihar Apartments, totally encompassing a build-up area of 14,30,000 square feet. Fortuna is promoting Shoppertainment. It's a destination in Bangalore where people across the social spectrum would be entertained while shopping. Fortuna is launching 2 malls and the work is in progress. One at Yelahanka next to the Mother Dairy, spread over 1.5 lakh square feet with a 3-screen multiplex, and the other at KR Puram on Old Madras Road, spread over 3 acres with 5 multiplex theatres and 1 gold arena, all of which is spread over 5 lakh square feet area. Fortuna has tied up with an international brand for its hotel project that's soon coming up on International Airport Road. The future is East and North Bangalore, and Fortuna has 300 acres of land bank on the east of Bangalore and on the International Airport Road.
Our philosophy.
We bring the expertise of all our divisions to focus on every aspect of the project. In simple words, everything from precision engineering to aesthetic design. Our reputation is built on rock-solid values, benchmark quality standards and honest practices. Fortuna is inching towards the execution of dream projects in Bangalore and other cities, which will be a landmark in the real estate industry in the near future.
The future is Fortuna, and Fortuna is where we build your dreams.